Replacing the battery in your BMW 3 Series E90 key fob is a straightforward DIY task. We'll guide you through opening the case and swapping the battery. First, eject the metal key blade by pressing the release button. This gives you access to the case seam. Then, carefully pry open the plastic case using a small screwdriver or plastic pry tool. Insert the tool into the seam near the key slot and gently twist to separate the halves. Inside, you'll find a CR23-2 battery held by a metal clip. Remove the old battery, noting the orientation with the positive side up. Insert the new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side faces the circuit board. Finally, snap the case shut and reinsert the key. Use fresh batteries to avoid corrosion. If the key fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, it needs reprogramming due to lost pairing with the vehicle's system. BMW's system requires synchronization to relearn the fob. Access the car's OBD2 port under the dashboard with a compatible tool. Enter programming mode via the iDrive menu or diagnostic software, then follow prompts to relearn the fob. This resets the rolling code security feature. You can also use smartphone apps like BMW Connected or third-party diagnostic tools to reprogram the fob yourself. Supply chain issues have made genuine BMW batteries scarce, pushing owners toward generics. If the fob is damaged, replacement units cost $50 to $150 from dealers.